Hello friends! If you are someone who is struggling with skin issues like dark spots, hyperpigmentation, melasma, wrinkles, fine lines, or any early signs of aging, then today's video is especially for you. Not only that, if you have scars, acne marks, or stubborn spots that don't go away easily, this remedy can help you a lot. In today's video, I'm going to share 2 powerful natural recipes with you. The first one is a homemade face scrub, and the second one is a face mask. Both are made with simple ingredients, yet they are highly effective in improving skin tone, reducing marks, and giving your face a youthful glow. So let's get started. First recipe, face scrub. For this, the first ingredient we need is rice powder. Now, if you don't have ready-made rice powder at home, don't worry at all. Very easy to make. Just take some rice grains, put them into a grinder, and grind them until you get a fine powder. That's it! Your rice powder is ready. Rice powder is an amazing ingredient for skincare. It helps in lightening and brightening the skin, removing suntan, clearing impurities that cause pimples and acne, and evening out the skin tone. It also works as a gentle, natural exfoliator. Now let's prepare the scrub. Take 2 spoons of rice powder in a clean bowl. Add half lemon juice into it. If the lemon you have is very small, then you can use the juice of a full lemon. Lemon is very powerful. It helps in lightening age spots and acne scars, and it even works on fine facial hair. Citrus fruits like lemon also boost natural collagen production, which keeps your skin tight and youthful. But here's an important note. If you have sensitive skin, or if you are dealing with active acne, please avoid using lemon. Instead, you can skip it and directly use rose water. Now add 2 spoons of rose water into the bowl. Mix everything nicely until you get a smooth paste. And there you go. Our natural face scrub is ready. So, how do we apply this scrub? Take a little bit of the scrub and gently apply it on your face and neck. Massage in a circular motion for a few minutes, but do it gently. Don't rub too hard, otherwise it may irritate the skin. Leave the scrub on for about 10 minutes so that the nutrients can work on your skin. After that, wash it off with regular water. You'll notice your skin feeling fresh and clean right away. The best part is, you can even store this scrub in an airtight jar and keep it in the refrigerator. That way you can easily use it 2 to 3 times without making it fresh every single time. Second recipe, face mask. Now let's move on to our second step, which is the face mask. Take 1 spoon of rice powder again as the base. Next, add 1 spoon of sandalwood powder. Sandalwood is known for its cooling properties. It helps with tanning, sunburn, and soothes irritated skin. It is also anti-inflammatory, which means it calms acne, rashes, or even insect bites. Now add 1 spoon of Melasma powder, also known as licorice powder. Melasma is excellent for the skin. It prevents sun damage, brightens dull skin, fades scars, and also helps in treating wrinkles and fine lines. To this mixture, add 4 spoons of milk. Milk works as a natural cleanser and also treats acne. It helps reduce inflammation, clears the skin, and gives you a smooth, grease-free texture. Milk also moisturizes your skin and leaves it soft and glowing. But if milk does not suit your skin, don't worry, you can easily replace it with rose water. Both options are equally good. Mix everything together, and now our face pack is ready to use. How to apply this mask? Spread it evenly on your face and neck. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Once it starts drying, splash a little water on your face so that the mask becomes slightly soft. Then gently rub it off with your fingers and wash your face thoroughly with water. After washing, always apply a moisturizer on your face and neck to lock in the hydration. And if you want to boost the results even further, you can also check my video on how to make a vitamin C serum at home, which works beautifully with this routine. How often to apply both of these recipes twice a week regularly. Anyone can use them. Whether you are young or old, male or female, these remedies are safe and natural. Since they are made from simple kitchen ingredients, you don't have to worry about side effects. With consistent use, you'll see your skin becoming brighter, clearer, and healthier. Dark spots will fade, scars will lighten, and overall your skin will get that fresh, youthful glow we all desire. So friends, do give these remedies a try, and let me know in the comments section how they worked for you. Your feedback means a lot to me, and it also helps others who are facing similar issues. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare recipes. Take care of your skin, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.